ramen. It's good, it's great, it makes a great snack, and today I'm gonna take you through making my favorite ramen recipe in the world. And it's actually not too hard to make. And you can make it using this little bowl with a little bit of extra ingredients. Let's get into it.
All right, so this is going to be my first ever voiceover I've done, so let's just get into it. To this pot, we're going to go ahead and add about a cup of water, turn on that flame, and let's add some spices and ingredients, like some soy sauce, a little bit of chili powder, some sriracha salt, a little bit of honey, and some peanut butter. Trust me on this one, this is going to be good. Let's go ahead and mix this thing all up until everything's all mixed together like this. And now we can go ahead and get into our noodles. So let's get our Shin Ramyun red cup here. It's the best one in my opinion. Rip that thing off, get this seasoning packet out of here, but don't worry, we're going to use that later. Let's add about 1 1/6 cup of water like the pack says on the back, and let's go ahead and throw this into the microwave. Put it into the microwave for about 1:30 to halfway cook the noodles, and once they're all done, go ahead and take them out, and let's put them into that beautiful broth that we got. Speaking of that, look at that broth sizzle. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Let's kill the heat and let's safely put our noodles in nice and slow. Don't forget to scrape the edges of that cup there. We need all that for the broth. Turn on the heat and let's go ahead and mix up those noodles until everything's all evenly coated like so. Let's just let those noodles sit for a little bit because now we're going to move into our green onions. Let's get our cutting board and let's chop up some green onions. And please, don't make fun of my knife skills. I'm not that good with knives. Anyway, everything's all chopped up, so let's take them over to our station. And you remember that seasoning packet I was talking about? Well, it's time to finally add that into our noodles. Look at them. Oh my goodness, they look great. Let's go ahead and stir this all up into our broth until it looks something like this. And now we got some beautiful looking noodles. Let's move it on to the back burner so we can work on the next part of this. So to a pre-oiled pan, we're going to go ahead and add 1 egg. Just one, and we're going to go ahead and let it fry. About a minute, it's going to look just like this, and oh my goodness gracious, look how perfect that looks. Look at that center. Let's kill the heat, and let's go ahead and start plating everything up. So let's go ahead and take a bowl that can house these beautifully cooked ramen noodles. Oh my goodness gracious, look at the color. Look at the consistency, look at the broth. And please, don't forget anything. Go ahead and crown our glorious king with that fried egg of ours, that beautiful warm yolky center. And then let's go ahead and put those green onions we chopped up and top with a little bit of sesame seeds. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that is a beautiful bowl of ramen that I am just going to love to eat. So let's enjoy.
Alright, there it is. Yes, sir. Guys, there it is. This beautifully crafted bowl of ramen. Hey, look, it's super simple. I hope I showed y'all that. Go ahead and get into the taste test right here. Let's go ahead and get into this. Let's go ahead and try these noodles really quick. Let's go ahead. Look at the pool. Y'all see that shit? Look at these. Oh my god. Perfectly cooked. Let me go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Let's get into the noodles. Let's go ahead and try them. Oh yeah. Damn, bro. That is so good, bro. Oh my god. Those noodles are perfectly cooked. They genuinely are so beautifully cooked. You can see them glisten in there, bro. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this broth. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. It really doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't. Hold on. Now, what I'm really curious is to try this egg. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna break the yolk here. Look at that yolk here. Let's watch it break. Oh my god, look at that. It's runny. That's what you want, baby. Beautifully runny yolk, bro. Oh my god. This and this here. This here. Got some noodle. Got some egg with the greens. That's so good, bro. Oh my fuck. Hey, bro. I'm calling the video right here. That's it. If you want to try this recipe out for yourself, please feel free, bro. It's so simple. You probably have most of the ingredients. And hey, bro, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this shit because this is so good.